Public is cloud computing deployment model that is provided and managed by the third-party vendor and is shared among various different organizations over the public internet. Public cloud model is hosted on the public network and is shared among various companies to operate their workloads. It is a pool of logical resources that are automatically provisioned and allocated among multiple companies by an self-service interface. Private and public cloud are both deployed on the same manner. The only difference made is that the public cloud resources are shared among the various organizations while private cloud belong to a particular one. Public cloud is gaining popularity among the organizations which are not in urge to expand their IT infrastructure. The benefits that public cloud offers are cost saving. Public cloud computing are much easier to implement and cost-saving than private or hybrid cloud deployment models. No server management, the cloud vendors manage and look after all the services and hardware. So, the organization's team are no longer needed to manage all that and could focus on the productive part. High reliability. The vast number of servers on the back end could easily tolerate the fault and allow the uninterrupted usage and availability to the customer. Ultimate scalability. The resources are automatically scaled up and down by the vendor as per the workload. Also, the drawbacks possessed by the cloud infrastructure includes outage and malfunctioning on the vendor's side may restrict user from accessing services. With the shared resources comes the great security concerning factor which might lead to a severe threat if overlooked. Unlike private cloud, user or the organization employing public cloud do not have control over the resources, configurations, and data. Unlike private cloud, the customer cannot customize the cloud configuration according to their usage and have to follow what the vendor provides. Depending upon the organization's requirements and security and compliance factors, the public cloud could be a great choice or a worse choice. But the providers have multiple models that could fit the requirements and could be chosen keeping in mind the various factors of the cloud. See you in the next video on hybrid cloud deployment model.